Hey guys, Ru here with Narvit for Blender, and this one's gonna be all about a new fantastic feature in the radial array for HARDOPS. And there are many new awesome features coming with the 27 update for HARDOPS, which was released like a day ago. But this particular array feature, I was waiting for a long time to to get it, and finally we have it. So let me show you. Just before we start, guys, very quickly, if you would like to support what we do with Josh on Patreon, there's a link in the video description. You can join us there. 3 amazing perks, courses, decals, critiques, a lot of stuff for people who use add-ons, don't use add-ons, for everyone. So check it out, and many thanks to everyone who's supporting us over there. Thank you so much, guys. Let's say you get an object, like let's say something circular, or not even circular. Let's grab a cube and let's bevel these, and also let me turn on my screencast keys so you see what I'm doing. And let's bevel this, like this, right? And or even you know what, just chamfer it. Okay, so we got something like this, right? And let's grab a bevel on this, so it's better defined and way to normals. Right now, let's say that I wanted to I wanted to rotate this object in whichever way you really you really want, right? Something crazy like this. Okay, so it's kind of completely out of whack. And I had some shape that I wanted to add to it, cutters, right, that would run along some sides, yeah, of this mesh. And, I wanted to array them. Now, the way you do it normally, right, would be with a radial array. But the problem sometimes is that the rotation can really mess with your array. So now the new feature allows you to actually rotate around the object. So let me show you how it works. Yeah, we're going to select the face of this object and press Ctrl Q, and Ctrl Q, I have this function mapped to the tool align tool for HARDOPS, so you can find it in here. Okay, and I mapped it to Ctrl Q. Now Ctrl Q normally is set to quit Blender, so I deleted this retarded shortcut and changed it to align view. So whenever I press Ctrl Q, I just align to a face. And it's a fantastic tool because you can use Shift in your mouse, or Control in your mouse, or Alt in your mouse, and you can rotate your object, whichever way you want. So let's say I wanted to align it, and click your mouse to apply to to be able to see in this face straight, right? And I wanted to draw some kind of a shape here with box cutters, so I could just drop some cut with box cutter here. Okay, right, and just cut it. Now let's say that I wanted to mirror this cutter across this face, so it's perfectly in the middle, right? So I'm gonna go Q, mod scroll toggle, select the cutter, select this one with Shift Alt X, and mirror across the face, right? And I mean the object, and now I'm good. Now if I wanted to array this cutter around this object, right, what you can do in the new HARDOPS is select the object, Shift, select this object, go Q, Mesh Tools, and Shift click on Radial Array, and this will array, okay, around the object. All right, so you can see that you can get really interesting shapes like this very easily, which is bloody fantastic, right? And it's like you see, it's a custom rotation, so this is really helpful for hard surface modeling. If you want to get something really complex and cool looking, this is very difficult to achieve with a standard Blender, because you would involve a lot of empty creations, and playing with angles, rotations, just too irritating to do. So there you go, that's a new HARDOPS feature, which I think is bloody brilliant. And the circular array, which was there forever, is still is there, right? So if I create a cube and move it somewhere here, and I wanted to rotate this around the cursor, I can still go to Mesh Tools and Control click on Radial Array and rotate around the cursor. So this feature still exists. So I have a choice to to pick either this one or this one. So Shift click will rotate around the object, and Control click will rotate around the cursor. So if your cursor is not really helpful for your rotation, then you simply use the object rotation and, you know, Bob's your uncle, right? So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Check Master Z on 1001 channel for the new update for HARDOPS, because this shit is off the charts. There is a new cloth tool as well, which I'm gonna be presenting shortly, and probably next day or something. And these new updates are really cool. You know, they fix a lot of stuff, but also stabilize the tool and also add some really amazing features. And this one is my bloody favorite, I think. The cloth one is also amazing, but that one, I've been waiting for this shit for a long time. So, you know, thank you Team C for doing that, because that's bloody brilliant, yeah. So anyway, guys, if you would like to purchase HARDOPS box cutter as a bundle or separately, there are links in the video description to Master Z on 1001 stores. If you're gonna go through the links, you're gonna help me as well. It doesn't cost you anything. Thanks for watching. Catch you next video.